Hello, fellow travel lovers. This is your suitcase guide for 2025. Today, we're talking luggage, the unsung hero of every adventure. Forget the stress. I'm here to help you travel smarter and happier. Get ready for my countdown of the top 20 must-have suitcase features for 2025. Let's dive in. All right, coming in at number 20 on our list is a feature that I consider my personal safety net, the expandable compartment. Oh, you beautiful, beautiful zipper of hope. Have you ever been there? You're on the last day of your trip, frantic shopping. Maybe you're in a fantastic market in Marrakesh and you find it, the perfect souvenir, hand-painted ceramic bowl. Your heart says yes, but your already bursting suitcase screams, "No more!" This is where the magic happens, my friends. With an expandable compartment, you simply unzip a hidden section and poof! You suddenly have an extra 2, 3, maybe even 4 inches of glorious, precious packing space. It's a lifesaver. It's the difference between bringing that beautiful memory home and leaving it on the shelf with a single lonely tear rolling down your cheek. Next up, at number 19, we're talking about something incredibly important: security. Specifically, TSA-approved locks. If the Transportation Security Administration needs to inspect your bag and they can't open your lock, they have the authority to break it. Yes, break it. These locks are brilliant. They have a special keyhole designed to be opened by a universal master key that only certified security agents possess. Your bag remains secure throughout its entire journey, and you arrive with your lock and your sanity perfectly intact. It's the best of both worlds. We've arrived at number 18. Okay, let's talk about something that will change your entire airport experience. This is a game changer. I'm talking about 360-degree spinner wheels. Forget everything you know about dragging a suitcase behind you like it's some kind of stubborn pet. It's not just a suitcase, it's a dance partner. It moves with you. You push it forward. It glides. With spinner wheels, you become part of the flow. You can weave through crowds like a pro. And what does this freedom give you? A free hand, hold your passport, sip your pre-flight coffee. It's fantastic. Okay, up next, number 17, lightweight design. For years, the suitcase itself was the enemy. These things were heavy. They ate up a huge chunk of your precious weight allowance. 5, 6, even 7 pounds that the old heavy suitcase used to steal from you is now yours. That's 5 to 7 pounds of potential joy you can pack. A few bottles of incredible olive oil from Italy, or maybe a hand-painted ceramic bowl from Mexico, or a thick, cozy wool sweater from Ireland. Don't be fooled. Shedding a few extra pounds goes a long way, so make sure it's lightweight. For number 16, let me paint you a picture. You've just landed in a tropical paradise. Let's say, oh, I don't know, Thailand. You step out of the airport and the humidity hits you like a warm hug. But then the sky opens up. A sudden, beautiful, dramatic downpour. This is where water-resistant material becomes your absolute best friend. It's a superhero cape for your belongings. Your luggage is protected, so your spirit is free. It keeps the adventure going no matter what the weather decides to do, so make sure your luggage is water-resistant. Okay, let's talk about something truly magical. I'm talking about built-in compression straps. This is feature number 15. I've seen suitcases explode on the baggage carousel like a piñata at a birthday party. It's not pretty. These simple straps are the secret weapon against overpacking. They gently hug your clothes, whispering sweet nothings. Don't you worry, we'll all fit in here together. It's the difference between a chaotic mess and a beautifully organized travel companion. Have you ever tried to close a suitcase by sitting on it? The zipper is screaming, your back is aching. Well, compression straps are your new best friend. They do the heavy lifting for you. So don't buy a new suitcase without them. Let's get serious for a minute. What about protection? This is number 14, hard shell and durability. Think about what these bags go through. Tossed, dropped, stacked under who knows what. It's a tough world out there for a suitcase. A hard shell, made from materials like polycarbonate, is like a suit of armor, built to take a beating so your precious cargo doesn't have to. I love bringing back fragile things. A beautiful ceramic bowl from Japan, a delicate bottle of olive oil from Greece, opening your bag to a beautiful, intact vase versus a sad pile of ceramic shards and regret. A hard shell is a must if you're bringing back fragile souvenirs. Okay, we've made it to number 13. The mark of a truly great piece of luggage is a brilliant interior divider system. It's like having a little chest of drawers inside your suitcase. One side for your clean clothes, crisp and ready for action. The other side for, well, the other stuff. What about your shoes? They've seen things. You don't want the soles of your shoes cuddling up with your favorite white shirt. No more digging around for your toothbrush at the bottom of the bag. It's right there waiting for you in its designated spot. These dividers are amazing. Up next, number 12, and for me, this one's a modern miracle. You know the feeling, right? You're at the airport, maybe you've just had a fantastic meal, you look at your phone, 2% battery, suddenly panic sets in. Where's an outlet? Outlet's all taken. It's like a scavenger hunt you never wanted. This is where the integrated power bank pocket saves the day. A dedicated little home inside your luggage for a portable charger. Voila! Your personal charging station on your suitcase. No more sitting on the floor by a trash can to get juice. And it's not just for phones. Think of your tablet for movies, headphones, or e-reader. This pocket is the watering hole for gadgets. And what if you need to make an emergency call? You will have the security and power you need. So this feature could be a lifesaver. Now let's talk about something we all do, but maybe don't think about enough: holding the handle. We've reached number 11. Ergonomic handle system. You're going to be holding this thing a lot. If that handle isn't comfortable, your hand is going to feel it. An ergonomic handle system is like a good, firm, friendly handshake from your suitcase. It's designed to fit the natural shape of your hand. Here's the best part: the telescoping mechanism. Multiple locking stages for the handle. Adjust it to the perfect height for you. When you're in the store, don't just look at the suitcase. Grab the handle, walk around with it, and make sure it doesn't wobble. This is the primary point of contact between you and your luggage. Okay, I want you to close your eyes for a second. Picture an airport terminal early in the morning. It's quiet, peaceful almost, and then you hear it. Rattle, 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 clack, clack, rattle. It's like a tiny personal earthquake announcement. This is why quiet wheels are a revelation. They are a gift to you and to everyone around you. That's why it's on our list as number 10. They use materials like polyurethane, similar to what you'd find on rollerblades, which absorb shock and roll smoothly and silently. When you have quiet wheels, you can move through a space with grace. You become a travel ninja, silent and efficient. Okay, number 9, I really love RFID blocking pockets. Imagine you're walking through a beautiful, bustling market somewhere incredible. Maybe you've got a delicious pastry in your hand. The last thing on your mind is some invisible digital pickpocket trying to steal your credit card information. It's a real thing. Think of it like a secret, safe little room inside your luggage just for your passport, your credit cards. It's lined with a special material that stops those sneaky radio waves dead in their tracks. Having a dedicated spot for these sensitive items means you can let go of that worry completely. You can wander, you can explore, you can get wonderfully lost. Number 8, smart luggage tracking. Have you ever had that feeling, that sinking heart-in-your-stomach feeling at the baggage carousel? The carousel just keeps going, and your bag is nowhere to be seen? It's the worst. What if you never had to feel that way again? Smart luggage tracking is a game changer. Live exact location of your bag on a map. If misplaced, show the airline. My bag is at these coordinates. You're an informed participant, not just a victim. Know your bag made the connection. Relax on the next flight. Peace of mind, practically a travel essential. Number 7, easy access front pocket. All right, this one of my absolute favorite can't live without it features. I'm talking about the easy access front pocket. This isn't just any pocket. This is your command center. You're gliding through the security line, and they ask for your laptop. Instead of a frantic suitcase exploding scramble, you just smoothly unzip that front pocket. It's a beautiful, seamless motion. Cool, calm, collected. People will look at you and think, wow, that person really has their life together. And the best ones are padded. They're designed specifically to cradle your precious electronics. It's the perfect marriage of protection and convenience. Up next, number 6, stylish and modern design. Now this might seem a little superficial, but believe me, it's not. Your luggage, my friends, is your travel companion, your trusty sidekick. So why shouldn't it look good? A stylish modern design isn't just about vanity. It's about walking into that airport, that hotel lobby, that beautiful new city and feeling confident. When I'm walking through a city and the sun hits those incredible buildings, everything is a feast for the eyes. You want to feel like you belong in that beautiful scene. Think about the photos. Your luggage will be in some of those shots. Do you want a lumpy, faded relic from 1998 photobombing your memories? It's more fun to pack and unpack a beautiful suitcase. It's that little thrill of anticipation. It's about the joy, always about the joy. We made it to number 5. Stain and scratch resistant finish. You found it, the perfect suitcase, maybe a stunning cobalt blue or a cheerful sunny yellow. But what happens behind those mysterious rubber flaps? Your bag is going on a rough and tumble journey with hundreds of other bags. A stain and scratch-resistant finish is not just a feature, it's a miracle. It's the armor your beautiful bag needs to survive the battle of the baggage handlers. It's the difference between worn out after 2 trips and distinguished after 20. You want character, not damage. Number 4, eco-friendly materials. You know, one of the greatest things about travel is that it connects us to this beautiful planet we all share. Many companies are now making suitcases from recycled materials. You could be rolling a suitcase through the airport that's made of 50 recycled bottles. And it's not a compromise on quality. These materials are engineered to be tough and resilient, ready for the rigors of travel. Plus, it gives you a great story to tell. It feels good to support companies thinking about our future. Okay, number 3 is interesting. Color. You might think the color of your suitcase doesn't matter at all. But color is far more than an aesthetic choice when selecting a suitcase. It's a critical functional feature. A distinctive bright hue ensures your bag is instantly recognizable on the crowded luggage carousel, saving time and preventing accidental swaps. It also simplifies spotting your luggage from a distance as it emerges onto the conveyor belt. Beyond practicality, the color expresses your personal style, making your travels feel more personalized. Ultimately, the right color combines easy identification with a reflection of your personality, turning a simple piece of luggage into a reliable and recognizable travel companion. Number 2, warranty and repair guarantee. Let's talk about commitment. A great suitcase is like a great friend. It's with you on all your adventures, through thick and thin. What happens when that friend gets a little banged up? That's where a warranty comes in. It's more than a piece of paper, a promise, a handshake from the company. We've got your back. It's the difference between a one-trip wonder and a lifelong travel companion. Instead of thinking, I have to buy a whole new suitcase, you're thinking, okay, I just need to make a quick call. A good warranty means the company believes in their product, and that helps me believe in it too. Now we've arrived at the grand finale, our number 1 feature. It's all about value for money. True value is a balance between price, features, and durability. That $300 bag with a lifetime warranty that you take on 50 trips costs you just $6 per adventure. That $80 bag you have to replace after 4 trips, that's $20 per adventure. It's finding the suitcase that won't cost you a fortune but will perform. You're looking for the sweet spot. Ultimately, buying the right suitcase is an act of self-care for the traveler. You're buying less stress, security for your belongings, and the simple joy of a bag that works with you. And there you have it, my friends, we made it. Now you know the 20 must-have features for 2025. You are armed. You are ready. You are a luggage expert. Which feature is your personal deal breaker? What can you not travel without? Tell us in the comments. I love hearing your stories. For more travel hacks, check out this next video. If you enjoyed this one, please subscribe and hit the like button. Until next time, safe travels, happy packing, and delicious discoveries.